Here we have the Bright M806-B motorcycle tyre changer, supplied by Autohoist Australia. As you can see, you've got the clamps up off the deck there. You've got 3-position adjustment as well. The clamps are a hardened nylon, so they're nice and soft on good rims like a set of Harleys, but it's still also strong enough for your dirt bikes. You've got the simple 3-pedal operation. Rotate the turntable on the left, clamps in and out on the middle, and then your bead breaker on the right. The difference with this one, you've also got the larger pad there, the rubber pad. Keeps all your motorcycle stuff, especially your disc brakes, well away from the machine itself. You've got a smaller shovel paddle for the bead breaker, and then also a smaller duck head, which is more suited for your smaller rims. It's also supplied with the normal car tyre changer duck head as well, so if you've got bigger rims. You've got protectors available. With the car one comes with the protectors. And then you've got a accurate, simple to use hand gauge, rubberized on the outside to protect it there, and simple swing head, spring mounted, hand operated lock and unlock. Your water separator and oiler. Supplied with 2 years warranty when purchased from us. Thanks for watching.